And welcome to the first video on how to use Canva. This video will introduce you to Canva. Introduction to Canva. Now, what is Canva? Canva is a graphic designing tool like every other graphic designing tool you have around the world. CorelDRAW, Adobe Photoshop, and the rest of them, right? Now, Canva can be used to make social media graphics, flyers, presentations, Word documents, workbook. There is nothing you actually want to do that you can do with flyers. So it's a one-in-all tool for your graphic works. Now, I'm going to be showing you straight away how to create an account. Now, if you're using an Android phone, just go to your Google Play Store. If you are a first timer here, go to your Google Play Store, download Canva, and this is what it looks like. Canva. You download it, and an iPhone user can go to the Apple Store, download Canva. So once you download it, you as an app, you have the icon on your device. So when you want to start, just click on Canva. Then it brings you here. Now you can see it's welcoming me back. That's because I have already registered, right? So whether you've registered before or you're just registering, you get to this stage, okay? Then I can now click on continue with Google. So if I click on continue with Google, it's going to bring all the Google addresses I have here. So I'm going to continue with this particular email address because with that email address, I subscribed to Canva Pro. So it's going to be easier for me to show you everything you can do with Canva. You know, there is difference between Canva Pro and Canva Basic. Whether you're using Canva Basic or Pro, you will definitely have your designs. But with Canva Pro, you have access to more tools. You have access to more templates than when you're using Canva Basic. You have access to more tools. You have access to more templates when using Canva Pro or Premium than when using Canva Basic. Okay, so here our Canva homepage is loading. Very good. Now, because I have registered with this email address, that's why it didn't ask me to sign up. So if you are starting for the first time, you're going to be asked to sign up. So when you sign up, just follow all the prompts. It's very easy. Follow all the prompts. Now it's going to be asking you a few questions. How do you want to use Canva as a business owner, as a head of school? Just pick all of those things. You know, just follow the prompts, answer all of the questions, and at the end of the day, this is where it's going to bring you. This is where it's going to bring you. So this is the Canva dashboard. This is the Canva dashboard. And on the dashboard, you can see there are certain sections here, key sections, like the home. We are at home already. The projects, the brand, apps, Dreamlab, search bar. So you can actually use this search bar here to search for content and canvas, right? As you can see, it's already bringing ideas for me, right? Canva template, all your content. You can use the left arrow key to see other options: brand template, edtech pitch deck template, food ticket, mobile video design, and all of that. So you can use the search bar to search for whatever it is you want to design on Canva right from here. Now, one thing that makes Canva easy is this search that I did here just now. I have about 3 to 4 places, 3 to 4 other places where I can search. So now, what I'm saying in essence is, even when you leave this dashboard, right, you still have access to the search bar. You still have access to all of these key sections: the home section, the projects, the templates, the brand, the apps, the dream lab. So it's not like other tools that the moment you leave the dashboard, you may have to come back there to search, or you may have to come back there to use templates. No. Canva, at every level you get to, you have access to all of these sections that you're seeing here. Now I want to show you more of these. You see, you can see other sections here: letterhead, A4 portrait, social media, video, presentation, documents, whiteboard, websites, custom size, upload. Let's click on more and see what more we have before we conclude this video. So you can see we have several things that we can do with Canva. Look at the popular ones. Course. You want to create a course. I mean, you're a coach, a teacher, whoever you are, you want to create a course, you can click on course. Documents, mobile video, Facebook post, Instagram post, Instagram story, video, logo. You want to create a logo for your business all by yourself. Then click on logo. We are still exploring what we have here. Then let's click on presentation, flyer, poster, and all of that. Then when you come to common layouts and sizes, you have them all here. You have them all here. You can also scroll down, office and business. Business card. Can you see that? Graph, proposal. You want to create a proposal. I mean, desktop wallpaper, resume, ID card, Zoom virtual background, email signature. You have a whole lot of things you can do here. Facebook posts and all of that, personal photos and videos. You can create your LinkedIn video ad, your TikTok story. Look at them here. Animated video, mobile video, educational video, slideshow video, YouTube video, TikTok, Instagram reel. There are so many things you can do with your Canva. So, having shown you all of these, we've come to the end of the first video, Introduction to Canva. Introduction to Canva. I'll see you in the next video. Do well to subscribe to this channel so that you can have notifications for new videos that are dropping, especially videos that will teach you valuable lessons, right? Remember, we're on a course to teach ourselves to digital skills, one of which is how to use Canva. Do well to subscribe to this channel, and also do well to click on the bell button so that you can get notifications for new videos as they drop. All right, see you in the next video.